Ever found yourself staring at your Airwallex balance, wondering how to bridge the gap between your digital dollars and the funds sitting comfortably in your local bank account? You're not alone. Many global entrepreneurs and businesses leverage Airwallex for its seamless international transactions, but the crucial step of getting that money into your own hands can sometimes feel a little mysterious. Well, fret no more. In this video, we're going to demystify the withdrawal process from Airwallex to your bank account. Whether you're a seasoned Airwallex user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will equip you with the knowledge to move your funds with confidence and ease. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch upon the why Airwallex is such a popular choice. It offers a robust platform for managing multi-currency accounts, making international payments, and receiving funds globally. This streamlines operations for businesses with a global footprint, reducing hefty transaction fees and simplifying currency conversions. But ultimately, those earnings need to land where they can be readily accessed, your bank account. So, how exactly do you make that happen? The process is generally straightforward, but it's essential to get each step right to ensure a smooth and timely transfer. First things first, you'll need to log into your Airwallex account. Head over to the Airwallex website or open your mobile app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Balances or Wallets section. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your funds across different currencies. Next, identify the specific currency wallet you wish to withdraw from. For instance, if you have funds in your USD wallet and you want to transfer them to your Nigerian Naira bank account, you'll select the USD wallet. Now comes the crucial step, initiating the withdrawal. Look for a button or option labeled Withdraw, Send, or something similar. Clicking on this will typically present you with a few choices. You'll likely need to select Withdraw to Bank Account. At this point, you'll be prompted to either select an existing beneficiary bank account or add a new one. If this is your first time withdrawing to a particular bank account, you'll need to add its details. This usually includes the bank name, account holder name, account number, and potentially the SWIFT/BIC code for international transfers. Double-check all the information you enter here to avoid any delays or complications. Accuracy is key. Once you've selected or added your bank account, you'll need to specify the withdrawal amount. Enter the exact amount you wish to transfer from your Airwallex balance. Keep in mind any potential minimum or maximum withdrawal limits that Airwallex might have in place, as well as any associated fees. These fees can vary depending on the currency and destination bank, so it's always a good idea to be aware of them beforehand. Before you finalize the withdrawal, you'll likely be presented with a summary of the transaction. This will include the withdrawal amount, the destination bank account details, and any applicable fees. Take a moment to carefully review all the information to ensure everything is correct. Finally, once you're confident that all the details are accurate, confirm the withdrawal. You might be asked to enter a verification code, either sent to your registered email address or via two-factor authentication, to authorize the transaction. After you've confirmed the withdrawal, Airwallex will process your request. The processing time can vary depending on the currencies involved and the destination bank. Typically, it can take anywhere from a few business days to longer for international transfers. You can usually track the status of your withdrawal within your Airwallex account. And that's essentially it. Withdrawing funds from your Airwallex account to your bank account is a relatively straightforward process. The key is to ensure you have your bank account details correct and to double-check all the information before confirming the transaction. By following these steps, you can seamlessly access your international earnings right where you need them. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.